Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change location on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, open Facebook. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Click on the marketplace icon. Click on here. Scroll down. Select location. Search here your location. It's a zoom in or zoom out. Select location and click on apply. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily change location on Facebook Marketplace.